The Maverick has a surprise gift for the JFF President Mike Ricketts this evening after the cancellation of the 2 friendly internationals set for the Reggae Boys in October. Mr. Ricketts said he was going back to the drawing board. So guess what? We have a brand new drawing board. Yes. We have a drawing board for the president. That old-time drawing board supposed to be under pressure and mash up by now. So see a new board there, Mr. Ricketts. But as it relates to these friendly games, though, is it that the USA and this other team no longer need these friendlies? Or is it that they no longer want to play Jamaica and go and play another country? Or is it because there would be no spectator games? The JFF would not be getting any money, so them cancel the games. Yes. And when Mr. Ricketts go back to the drawing board, what are his realistic options? What can Mr. Ricketts do but to wait until the pandemic numbers subside and FIFA and CONCACAF say international football can play? What exactly will he be doing at the drawing board? Anyway, I am a man of my word. I'm here to play my part. Yes. Mr. Ricketts, on behalf of the Maverick and Company, here is a brand new drawing board. See, let me give you a paper. What is it? It's a clipboard. This is not a drawing board. Use it still, Mr. Ricketts. Use it still.